On October 17, 1951, Hurricane Charlie destroyed the Morant Bay Hospital. A new hospital was constructed and was officially opened on February 23, 1955. 24 years old Princess Margaret, second daughter of King George VI and only sister to Queen Elizabeth II, named and opened the new hospital. She gave the new hospital her own name, calling it the Princess Margaret Hospital. Princess Margaret Hospital is the only hospital in the parish of St. Thomas. The list of services it provides are general medicine, gastroenterology, general surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, accident and emergency, and physiotherapy. Princess Margaret Hospital is a Type C hospital.